Deep beneath the crystal-clear waters off the coast of Yonaguni Island, the southernmost of Japan's Ryukyu Islands, lies one of the world's most captivating maritime mysteries. Discovered accidentally in 1986 by Kiichiro Aratake, a diver scouting for hammerhead shark observation sites, the Yonaguni Monument has since become the center of a fierce scientific debate. Is this massive monolithic structure the remnant of a 10,000-year-old lost civilization, or is it a testament to the extraordinary power of natural geological forces? The primary advocate for the man-made theory is Dr. Masaaki Kimura, a marine geologist at the University of the Ryukyus. After decades of diving at the site, Kimura argues that the structure is a complex of ruins, including a ziggurat-like pyramid, castles, monuments, and even a stadium. He points to specific features that seem too precise for nature to have authored: right-angled edges, flat parallel platforms, and a series of steps that resemble a grand staircase. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for the archaeological camp is the presence of what Kimura identifies as the face, a rock formation that bears a striking resemblance to a human head. Additionally, Kimura claims to have found evidence of tool marks, drainage channels, and even primitive hieroglyphs carved into the stone. According to his calculations, the monument was above sea level approximately 10,000 years ago during the last ice age. If true, this would mean the structure predates the Great Pyramids of Egypt by millennia, suggesting the existence of a highly advanced, lost Pacific civilization, perhaps the legendary continent of Mu, that was eventually swallowed by the sea due to a massive seismic event or rising tide levels. Despite the allure of an underwater Atlantis, many geologists, most notably Dr. Robert Schoch of Boston University, remain skeptical. Skeptics argue that the monument is composed of fine-grained sandstones and mudstones that date back to the Miocene epoch. This type of rock is prone to jointing, a geological phenomenon where the rock naturally fractures in clean, straight lines. According to Schoch, the right angles and steps are the result of tectonic activity and the relentless erosion of strong ocean currents. The Ryukyu Islands sit in a highly active seismic zone. Frequent earthquakes can cause the rock to crack along bedding planes, creating the illusion of man-made stairs and terraces. Furthermore, skeptics point out that many of the features Kimura identifies as walls are actually connected to the underlying rock mass rather than being built from separate blocks, a characteristic common in natural formations but rare in ancient masonry. The debate remains at a stalemate, largely because the Japanese Agency for Cultural Affairs has declined to designate the site as a protected cultural heritage monument, citing a lack of definitive evidence of human intervention. This means the site is not officially an archaeological site, leaving it in a scientific limbo. However, a middle ground theory has emerged: terraforming. Some researchers suggest that the monument might have been a natural formation that was later modified or finished by ancient humans. In this scenario, early inhabitants of the Ryukyu Islands might have used the natural terraces for religious ceremonies or as a defensive fortification, carving out specific features to suit their needs. Whether the Yonaguni Monument is a relic of a forgotten empire or a masterpiece of natural erosion, its impact is undeniable. It challenges our understanding of prehistoric capabilities and reminds us of how much of our planet's history remains hidden beneath the waves. For the divers who visit its silent, towering terraces, the monument remains a place of awe, a submerged riddle that continues to bridge the gap between myth and geology.